Hey guys, welcome to the next video on Java for beginners. In this video we're going to be talking about the switch statement. So before heading on to switch statement, I just forgot to mention one thing in the last video about if statement. So that is this nested if. So what nested if is that if you nest or write an if statement inside another if statement, that is nothing but nested if. Just like we can say if A equals B, and if you write another if in that if statement, and if you write your code here, so then this is nothing but nested if. So the first condition of the first statement is evaluated first. If it's true, it comes in and then checks for the condition in the second if. So that's how nested if statements work. Just for the record, that is also there. And heading on to our switch statement, we have switch statement which can take an expression or a value as a match, and it can compare it with a set of alternatives that we can label, and if any of the alternative is matched with a variable that we pass inside switch statement, then the statements corresponding to that match or that label is executed. For example, here we can say switch of A, and that means we are passing A to the switch statement, so we can label our cases. So use the keyword case space label as 1. The case label is going to be 1. We say system.out.println. We say 1 is matched. Okay, just like that. So, and we can have as many cases as we want, but make sure to put the break statement after every case statement. And write case 2. Case 2 is matched, and remember to put the break. So what break does is, after executing the statements corresponding to that case label, it breaks out the control out of the switch statement. So let's just say case 6, then we say A is matched. Let's put the break statement after the statement of the label. So one thing you have to remember is that always the case labels should be constant. It can either be an integer constant or a character constant, but it cannot be complex values like strings, or like it can be just integer or character constant. You can also have, instead of case A, you can also have instead of case 1, you can also have case A. A is enclosed within single quotes. So case A there. And there's also this optional thing in switch statement. We can also specify the default. Like the statements under the default block will be executed if none of the case labels match with the variable that's passed in switch statement. So we can say here nothing is matched. So there you go. If we execute this, then we're gonna probably get according to A is matched. So there you go. A is matched. So if A is 1, then let's say 1 is matched. So there you go, guys. That's all about the switch statement for this video, and see you guys again in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and please don't forget to subscribe.